Ever faced weird Windows issues like apps crashing, system files missing, or updates failing, and wondered which command to use, SFC or DISM? These two tools can literally save your Windows installation, but they're not the same. In this video, I'll break down how they work, their key differences, and the best way to use them. Let's start with a quick history. SFC, or System File Checker, has been around since Windows 98 and became a go-to repair tool from Windows XP onwards. DISM, or Deployment Image Servicing and Management, came much later. It was introduced in Windows 7, originally meant for system administrators to manage Windows images. But from Windows 8 onward, it became essential for fixing deeper system corruption that SFC alone can't handle. So, what do these tools actually do? SFC scans all your protected system files and replaces any that are damaged or missing. It uses backup copies already stored on your PC. Think of it as checking your house's walls for cracks and patching them instantly with ready-to-use material. DISM, on the other hand, works at a deeper level. It repairs the Windows image itself, the core files that SFC depends on. So, if your SFC tool doesn't work properly, DISM can fix the source files first. DISM has different commands like check health to quickly see if corruption exists, scan health to do a deeper scan, and restore health to actually repair the image. So you can pick what you need based on how serious the issue is. Let's break down the key differences. SFC repairs system files that are broken or missing. DISM fixes the bigger Windows image that those files come from. SFC works with local files already stored on your PC. DISM checks and repairs the entire Windows image. SFC doesn't need the internet. DISM might if it has to download clean files. Use SFC for smaller problems. Go with DISM for deeper ones or when SFC doesn't work. Here's how to use them the right way. On your desktop, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, then click Run as administrator. When the UAC prompt appears, select Yes. Now, paste the DISM command and hit Enter. Let it finish. It may take a few minutes. Once it's done, paste the SFC command and run it too. If there's only minor corruption, both scans should complete within 15 to 20 minutes. And finally, once they finish, restart your PC to apply the fixes. So to sum it up, SFC and DISM work best together. DISM repairs the base system image, and SFC fixes the files that depend on it. If your PC feels slow or buggy, just run both. DISM first, then SFC, followed by a restart, and most issues should be gone. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.